Hey everyone! Welcome back to MoneyiFY, your go-to source for all things web development. If you're new here, a big hello to you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on the mind of every aspiring and seasoned web developer: how to make money with web development. Web development isn't just about creating stunning websites or innovative applications. It's a gateway to a world of incredible earning potential. Did you know that in the tech industry, skilled web developers are among the highest paid professionals? With the right skills and strategies, some developers are earning six-figure incomes annually. Intrigued? You should be. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your web development game, this video is packed with insights, tips, and real-world strategies to turn your coding skills into a lucrative career or side hustle. So grab a seat, get comfortable, and let's unravel the secrets to making money in the ever-evolving world of web development. Let's kick things off with the fundamentals. Web development is the art and science of building websites and web applications. It's what makes the creation of interactive, engaging online experiences possible. There are three main areas in this field: front-end, back-end, and full-stack development. Front-end development focuses on what users interact with. It involves designing and coding the visual elements of a website, everything you see and interact with directly, like layouts and buttons. Back-end development, on the other hand, is all about the server side. It's where all the data processing happens. Think of it as the brain behind the scene, managing database interactions, user authentication, and more. And for those who master both, they're known as full-stack developers, capable of handling both front and back-end tasks. To thrive in web development, you'll need to arm yourself with essential skills and tools. The basics include HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the building blocks of the web. As you progress, tools like React for front-end development, Node.js for back-end, and Git for version control are invaluable in your toolkit. Now, how can these skills translate into cold, hard cash? First up, freelancing. It's a great way to start, offering flexibility and variety. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer are your gateways to finding freelance projects. But remember, your portfolio is your strongest asset. Showcase your best work to attract clients. Considering full-time employment? The web development industry is booming with opportunities. Start by scouring job boards, prepping for interviews, and remember, the salary ranges can be pretty impressive, especially with a few years of experience under your belt. Or maybe create and sell your own digital products like themes, plugins, or templates. Platforms like ThemeForest and CodeCanyon can be your marketplace. And let's not forget about the power of blogging and content creation. Start a tech blog or a YouTube channel and earn through ad revenue and sponsorships. For those looking to level up, developing your own web applications can be both challenging and rewarding. And if teaching is your passion, why not share your knowledge? Platforms like Udemy and Coursera are great places to start offering courses or workshops. Finally, no matter where you are in your web development journey, never stop learning. The field is always evolving, and keeping your skills sharp is crucial. Online courses, tutorials, and developer communities are great resources. Networking is key. To join communities, attend meetups and conferences, and don't forget to build an online presence. A strong portfolio and active social media can open doors to endless opportunities. So, are you ready to turn those web development skills into a lucrative career? Stay tuned for more in-depth discussions on each of these topics in our upcoming videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of web development. Thanks for watching.